Hey guys, Dr. Sam, Newton Chiropractic. In today's video, we're going to be talking about chiropractic treatments for tension headaches. Just a short recap, tension headaches are a dull, achy pressure headache you feel either in the front, side, rear, or all the above in a band-like appearance. These tension headaches are typically caused by some form of stress, whether it's mechanical, such as bad posture at work, maybe chemical, as something you ate or you drank, or even emotional as a stressor such as your family or a job or whatever it may be. This stress tends to cause tension and then muscle hypertonicity in our upper neck, which restricts the motion of the upper vertebrae, causing dysfunction to the neck, which results in a headache. Now, in the first two videos I did over tension headaches, I went over two ways to self-treat them. First, stretching the upper neck, and then second, I showed you how to take two tennis balls and mobilize the muscles of the upper neck. Sadly though, as I explained to many of my patients, these self-treatment methods are not quite enough to fully get rid of all of our symptoms with these tension headaches, and thus at that point you need to go see a chiropractor. Chiropractic treatments such as adjustments or manipulations combined with manual therapy muscle techniques I do here at Newton Chiropractic Clinic are proven techniques in relieving symptoms of tension headaches. So if you've tried my self-treatment methods and they haven't been effective enough to relieve your tension headache, please set up an appointment with me here at Newton Chiropractic Clinic and let's get you taken care of. Thanks.